Protecting your business accounts from employee turnover is essential to keeping your operations running smoothly and securely. With turnover being a constant challenge for many businesses, it's crucial to have a solid plan to safeguard sensitive information and prevent disruptions. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick, actionable guide on how to do just that. The first step is making sure that all of your business accounts are tied to a central, secure point of control. This means using an admin email address that is managed by someone who's not likely to leave the company. Avoid using employee-specific emails for critical accounts like payroll, HR, and financial systems. This ensures that even when employees leave, access to those accounts remains unchanged. Next, implement a password management system. If you are still using simple passwords or sharing them over email, it's time for an upgrade. A password manager lets you store, generate, and share passwords securely. The best part is that your team doesn't need to know every password. They just need the key to access them. Make sure your password manager is set up with multi-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Speaking of multi-factor authentication, MFA, it should be a non-negotiable part of your account security. MFA adds an extra step for logging in, making it significantly harder for someone to access accounts with just a password. Whether it's a phone number, an app, or an email verification, this step is critical in protecting sensitive business data. Another key tip is setting up role-based access controls. Not every employee needs access to everything. By assigning different levels of access based on job roles, you minimize the risk of one employee gaining access to areas they shouldn't be able to see. This also allows you to remove access quickly when someone leaves. Make sure that your employees know the importance of leaving proper exit documentation and follow a strict offboarding process. This should include the immediate deactivation of accounts that are tied to your business systems. Automating parts of this process can help ensure that nothing slips through the cracks when employees leave. The software we'll be using in today's tutorial can help manage these processes and make sure your business accounts are secure, even during employee turnover. I've tested a lot of software in this space, and this one has stood out for its ease of use and robust security features. You can get an exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the steps in this video. Finally, a key takeaway from today. Protecting your business accounts from employee turnover requires a mix of the right tools, processes, and policies. Make sure your accounts are centralized, secure, and managed with the proper safeguards in place. To recap, use a central admin email, implement a password manager with MFA, set up role-based access controls, and have a strong offboarding process in place. These steps will go a long way in protecting your business. Before you go, remember to grab that exclusive free trial from the description below so you can start securing your business accounts today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.